In this video, we'll see how to filter in a module. Let's start with the Cases module. We'll start with a keyword search in the search field. This search will result in all the cases with the subject that starts with the keyword Internet. We can remove this search by clicking the X in the search field. If you want to search other fields, click the Filter drop-down and select Create. This opens the drop-down to select a field, the operation, and the value. Sugar's list view defaults to 20 records displayed per page, but you can see all the records in the search results by clicking the Select All checkbox and then clicking the Select All Records hyperlink, which displays a total of 43 records. You can narrow down the search results even more by adding another field search. This time we'll add Assigned To field. Is any of, with the value of Rob Gonzalez. And as you can see, this narrows the results to 2 records. We can save this search result by giving it a name and clicking the Save button. To access this saved search later, all you have to do is go to the Filter menu and click the Save Search. You can even update the Save Search by clicking the name in the search field and adding or removing search criteria, and then click Save again. Now let's try searching in the Knowledge Base module. First, by the keyword Internet again. Notice there are no results because there are no knowledge base articles with the word Internet at the beginning of the subject. But if we add a wildcard character, the %sign, and then our keyword Internet, we can see results.